Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to add or remove watermarks in Microsoft Word. To do this, simply go to the Design tab, then click on the watermark in page background and select any one of the text that you like. You can see the watermark has appeared here. But what if you don't want its color to be gray or you want some other text? For this, you have to left click here and then you have to go to Custom Watermarks. Now here you can change the color if you want. Let's say I want this orange color. Apply it. You can see the color has been changed. Or you can choose any one of the text from here or you can write your own text. Let's say and apply. You can see the text has been changed. You can also make it horizontal if you want. You can make it solid. It's all up to you. You can even import a picture if you want from here. Or if you don't want any watermark, you can simply come here and you can choose remove watermark and the watermark will be removed. That's all guys. Bye bye.